Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can use fade effects in Instagram when you upload your picture. This is easy tutorial and easy process. Just follow my step, then you will learn. Before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely or friendly requested to subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. I'll show you the guide video in upcoming tutorials. So let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this, and after that here you can see the plus icon button. Click plus icon and click post twice and choose your picture. Okay, I choose this one. Here you can see the picture and go to the right top corner arrow button. You can see, click on this, and here you can see the option edit button besides right side of filter. Click edit and scroll right little bit, then you will get the option fade. Okay, this one fade. Click fade, and this is look like your original picture. So if you want to increase fade, then your picture will be looks like this. Okay, this is, I hope this is good for me. And after that we just simply click done, and this is look like after applying the fade effect. Okay friend, this was, I hope this video was very helpful for you, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.